Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a tutorial for this really simple neutral eye makeup that I had created a few days back on my Instagram. I'm going to start with a concealer. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Define and Conceal Concealer, and I'm using this on my lids as well as my under eye area, and this just gives a nice clean canvas for the eyeshadows to go on. Sometimes neutral shadows can get lost on your skin tone, and using a concealer just helps the colors pop. Then I'm going to use the LA Girl Eye Luxe palette in Harmonize. I'm starting with this soft matte brown color. I'm going to use this to define my outer corner as well as the crease of my eye. I'm then using the same eyeshadow along my lower lash line to add some definition to my lower lashes. I'm then going to use the darker brown from the same palette, and I'm using this to intensify the color in my crease and the outer corner, but this color is a little more concentrated. Next I'm using this shade, and with a moist brush I'm applying it to the inner half of my lid. So this is a really simple technique. You use the lighter, more shimmery colors in the inner half of your lid and the matte darker colors in the outer half as well as the crease. I'm then using the lightest shade from this palette in my inner corner as well as the brow bone just to draw some light to my eyes. And now to define my upper lash line, I'm using the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Pencil in the shade Sleek Onyx. This is a really creamy, super pigmented pencil, and what I'm doing is I'm just smudging this along my upper lash line to create like a soft smoky liner. This still gives you definition, but it doesn't look super harsh. Then for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, and I really like it because it gives you just so much volume as well as a really nice definition and length. I'm using this on the top as well as the bottom lashes, and you can leave the look at that. But I have also added a pair of false eyelashes just to show you a really inexpensive pair of lashes that I've been loving lately and how to apply them. So these are from the brand Uroparis, and I'm using the Pack Lash Fixer. First I've applied the lash fixer all over. I'm going to let it dry a little bit, and then I'm going to place it on my eye. I place it on the center of my eye, and then I'm using the tweezers as well as my fingers to make sure the lash band is perfectly aligned with my lash line. You especially want to focus on the inner corner because that is where the lashes tend to come off the most, and once the glue has dried, I just go over with a little more mascara just so my natural lashes and the false lashes blend together seamlessly. And then I also reapply a little bit of the liner. Just make sure I have no glue peeking out. I'm using a liquid liner to cover up any visible glue here. And that is it. That is the final finished look. I hope you found this helpful. If you want to see how I did the rest of my face, you can watch my video called How to Get Glowy Skin. I'm going to link it below. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.